guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got 3 more Hot Wheels here today. First I got this Overwatch car, which is a Walmart exclusive. But the point is I did not get this from Walmart. I actually found this from somewhere else. Because this one's supposed to be like a Walmart exclusive, but I found it from another place. Next I got this 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This one is a treasure hunt too. I really like it. That's pretty cool. I really like the design. And then last, I got this custom 1970 Honda N600. Look how tiny it is. And also, I got some of these Hondas here too. Wait, these two are kind of the same. Are they the same? Nah, it's not. But look, guys, I got 2 Hondas, and this is my other Hondas. First, I got the City. I got the Turbo City version. I got the 1998 Honda. And then I got the classic Honda 2000. But yeah. But originally, this car was supposed to be a Toyota Supra, but they just made it a Power Pro. But yeah, first let's open the Overwatch Power Pro car. So let's open it, crack it open. Open uppy. Hey, it's just stuck in the case. Look at that. I can just like glue it to my wall or something. That would be a pretty good idea. What would that look like? That would be a pretty good idea. I should do that. How am I gonna open this? Wait, let me use my brain power. Just pop it. I'm just gonna pop it open. There we go. Give me my Overwatch car now. Alright, here is the Overwatch car. Ooh, the Power Pro. I really like this car. Honestly, the car is a pretty good mold, because originally this mold was supposed to be a Toyota Supra. Because this body is actually a Toyota Supra body, but they decided to make it into a Power Pro because it's like supposed to be a Toyota Supra, but they just changed it to a Power Pro. Those guys have been drilling so long. But yeah, it's also got these cool things here for like kind of you can see it inside. I really like the spoiler here because it's pretty cool, and I really like the design. It's like Tracer, she's like kind of running and she's like shooting or something. That's pretty cool. I cannot with these guys. But my friends really like Overwatch, so I bought this car. I showed it to him. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. I like the orange color, I like the design, and yeah, pretty cool. Nice and shiny too. Let's take you off. Then next, let's open the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. I'm really excited to open it. Bro, I want to do this so bad. I can just put it to the wall. I just glue it to the wall or tape it. Like, if I can find any other rare car, then I probably would do that. Hold on, where's the treasure hunt logo? Is there any treasure hunt logo? No, there's no treasure hunt logo. But yeah, here is... How come there's already dust on it? The heck? So here is the Honda Civic Type R. But I've always been wanting a Honda Civic Type R in my collection for a while. But yeah, this car looks pretty cool with the colors. And it kind of matches the lights and my shirt. Pretty cool. It's got some like blue, purple, red, and cyan. It's actually called cyan. It's got some blue rims. But yeah, I really like the small little spoiler here. And it kind of reminds me of like a Subaru. If you get rid of the spoiler, then it's like a Subaru. Which I do not like the Subaru. But this one is pretty cool. Pretty good casting and mold. And it says HKS. I think that's in my racing group. But yeah, it says Honda R on the front. But yeah, pretty cool. I really like it. I'll just actually put a lot of effort in this car. But yeah. Last car is this custom 1970 Honda. Oh, it's so tiny. You know what? Move out the way, bud. You're my next favorite car. It's smaller than this boy. I used to love this one, but I think I love this one a little bit more now. I'm sorry, you're still my favorite, okay? You're still cute and adorable, but it's so tiny. It's so tiny. It's like a Mini Cooper. When I first got this, I thought it was a Mini Cooper, but no, it's a Honda Civic. I want to buy more of it. I love the color. It's like old-fashioned, nice red interior. It's like a little Mr. Bean car, but it's a Honda. In the back, it says Hot Wheels Honda. It's also a custom. But yeah, that is pretty cute. 3, 2, 1, go. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye-bye. And also I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But yeah, it'll be in the link in the description. But yeah, bye-bye. Have a good day.